Hello, everybody. Well, I got this. I'm going to do an unboxing of this today. I bought it at Home Depot. It's a WO 1784 inverter generator, 2100 watts, 1700 running watts. There's a picture of it on the box. And I'll tell you about this generator. It only uses less than a gallon of gas. And it'll run for 8 hours at 25% load, which is enough to run my air conditioner. So I can run my air conditioner all night long for a gallon of gas, basically. Or 0.9 gallons of gas, a little bit less than a gallon of gas. Keep me cool in the hot summer, and I can run a space heater in the winter. And so this is going to be the main power source in my new rig that I'm creating, this new camper. Secondary power source is going to be solar. And so let's get in with this unboxing. Let's take a look at this thing. Now I'm inside the camper right now because it's windy outside right now, really windy. And cold, it's cold. It's even cold in here. But let's get started. Let's see what we got in here. Oh. Okay, they include oil. Include a jug of oil. This must be for the engine, to go inside the engine. It's probably just about the right amount to fill it. Firman oil. Okay, we got that. We got the instruction manual right here. Firman's owner manual. Portable inverter generator. Now this generator is supposed to be really quiet, too. That's another reason why I got it. The third reason why I got it is this generator will actually, not only is it quiet, but it actually produces a type of electricity that electronics need. Now see, I already have a generator, but the other generator I have is noisy. I mean, wow. You can hear it a quarter mile away. And also, it doesn't produce the right type of power for electronics. This produces the right kind of power for electronics. Now let's see what they got in here. They got a funnel to put the engine oil in. They've got a big plug for RVs. They've got a spark plug adapter for putting the spark plug in and out. They've got a flathead screwdriver, and it looks like they've got a connector cord right here. This is a connector cord to connect two generators together, which I don't think I'll be using that. But it's nice of them to put these things in. They got a flat piece of steel here to go through the head of the spark plug connector right here. I don't know if you can see that little hole right there. They got a flat piece of steel so you can add additional torque. Looks like they've put in everything in there you need to get up and running. Now here, we're getting in here to the real McCoy. The actual generator itself is in here. I'm going to have to stop this, and I'm going to have to lift it out, okay? Okay, there we go. We got it all lifted out. Now on here, they've got different things showing how you'd run it. Shows the different things. Shows putting the oil in. This one shows pouring the gasoline in. This one shows how to turn the vent on the gas can off and on. So right here, this, on the top of the gas can, here's a vent. And what this is for, when you're in hot climates, gas expands. And so there's a vent right here on the top. And this vent opens and closes. So when you're running this thing, I think you're supposed to open it. Open the vent. Now this shows you where to put the gas in. And this one shows you how to pull the choke on. This is the choke. You get right in there close. See? Shows you to pull the choke on when you get ready to start it. And to turn the on switch on when you get ready to start it. Right here. And then they show you, what's this showing you? Then you got to pull the pull starter on the side. And then when you're done, you turn this button here, I think, to turn it on the economy mode. And then this shows you to plug your appliances in to the outlets provided. And they got a stop button on it. Unplug your appliances. And so let's take a look here at the side of the panel. We got, that's the choke, obviously, right here. You pull that out to choke it, push it in to unchoke it. There's the on-off switch right there. And here's the economy mode switch, which is a nice feature because it quiets the generator right down when it's not being used fully. And they got, this is a gasoline thing right here. And then they got the pull start, obviously. And this one's got an unusual feature on it. I think it shows these lights here show up here, I guess, is green, and then red. Overload. You've overloaded the generator. Output ready. I guess that green light comes on, and low oil light. You know, that's nice to have a low oil light that warns you before you actually have the low oil shut off. There's a low oil shut off in this. And up here, you have your, looks like a outlet. What is that? Can we get down in there? Let's kind of